during the Moi era. And you remember, Kenyans, I said that this country, unless we are careful, we are going back to the old days when people were, brought up.
Hey man, we've been tear gassed. Hey, crazy stuff. But going back, well. Just hold on. We're walking back there. We think 2 more MPs have been arrested. But we are walking there. Wow. Where are your Dongare? You have been there since morning. What do you mean you have not been there? So we are going back. Even the media has been kicked out. It's been they have thrown like 10 tear gases there. Yeah. All because this tear gas by there has been thrown out, because the singular reason why there is tear gas is that there is a court order that has been disobeyed. No other reason. Reason. It's interesting, man. Any police station, sure they will probably not allow us in. We'll be there. Umekula yote gas pia.
Akameiva. Uja mawani yako nani kwa gari yetu? Nani? Kaje.
Been hit by tear gas. Friend Amani, there's no worry. I am okay with the tear gas, my friend. I'm here. I'm not lamenting. You're the one actually who is lamenting on comments. So as you can see now, we are all back to the station. Kwa nini? Leta.
Utapigwa
na polisi.